Artificial intelligence is becoming more advanced every day. From Siri on our phones to self-driving cars. AI is all around us, making our lives easier and more efficient. But there is a growing concern that AI will eventually surpass human intelligence. Generative AI is the type of AI capable of learning independently. While this type of AI is still in its infancy, researchers are already warning about the possibility of AI taking over humanity. Indeed, its capabilities are enormous, and its applications are reaching far into all aspects of our lives. 1. Healthcare is revolutionizing personalized medicine, decreasing costs and optimizing system efficiency, and modernizing mental health therapy. 2. The enterprise is revolutionizing customer service, streamlining operations, and changing software development. 3. Entertainment is revolutionizing the movie industry, the gaming industry, and the list continues. All areas of our lives are affected. Some believe that a robot takeover is inevitable and that humanity will eventually become enslaved by machines that we created. With this scenario in mind, we must ask ourselves if we are doing enough to ensure that AI is safe and beneficial for everyone. There are currently many debates around the world about the ethics and implications of AI development. 1. Is it safe? 2. Can it be free of bias? 3. Can it be truthful and accurate at all times? 4. Does it respect intellectual property rights and all our laws? 5. Who is responsible in case of an accident? Its creator, its owner, or itself? 6. Can we protect it against cyber attacks and criminal groups? Many leaders in the tech industry, including Elon Musk and Stephen Hawking, have warned about the dangers of AI and the need to create safeguards to prevent a dystopian future. But it's not all doom and gloom. AI can also be used for good, helping disabled individuals and improving the world. It's up to us to develop AI responsibly and with a collective purpose. AI is not inherently good or evil. The outcome of its development ultimately depends on how we choose to use it. We must continue to supervise its progress to prevent negative consequences. A robust regulatory framework is required to safeguard its development and safe use. Political authorities are increasingly aware and are taking measures. The European Union and the United Nations are setting up AI governance structures. Such measures are welcome, but we need many more worldwide. So, is a robot takeover inevitable? It's difficult to predict the future. But with awareness and proactive measures, we can enjoy the benefits of AI while avoiding a dystopian scenario. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on the applications of AI.